Hey everyone, this is Moses, and you're looking at my purple hull cowpeas. I thought I could give you a show and let you see how everything's coming along. Um, in this raised bed, I believe I planted somewhere in the neighborhood about 15 to 20 plants, maybe more. They're all growing real well, coming in as one. And I'm looking forward to getting a good crop. Shouldn't be very much longer before I start getting pods to show. And here, these are my string beans, and they're coming along very well. In this 5-gallon bucket, there are approximately 12 plants, give or take, and as you can see, I'm getting pods, so I'm looking forward to that. And in my green leaf planter here, we have another version of cowpeas. These are called Grandma's Creamy Cowpeas. They're white, a little whitish in color from what the packet showed. I'm looking forward to these growing as well, and pretty much the whole planter should be filled in a short time. I believe I planted maybe 10 to 12 in the top 2 rows, so they're growing real well, nice and green and healthy looking. Also in the planter are a couple Scotch Bonnet plants, and they're growing real well as well. I should have fruit on these in a short period of time. I'm looking forward to it. And it's amazing how everything goes from a single seed to these nice looking and lush plants. Okay, these are my lima beans, and you can see I have a lot of flowers, and hopefully soon I'll be getting pods, and I have a good crop of these coming up. I added a few more beans, I want to say maybe 8-9 into the 5-gallon bucket, so when these that are going to pods soon die out, the other ones should be getting ready to produce pods, so I should have a continuous supply coming in. This is a Jamaican Scotch Bonnet, red in color, and this is one of the new occupants of Pepper Row. Looks like it's growing pretty well. I'll be monitoring and making sure that it continues to do well. This is a Tabasco Pepper. It's starting off very slow. Hopefully it will catch, and I can get to grow and get peppers for my wife. She doesn't like the ghost pepper sauce that I make. She prefers to just have the Tabasco pods in white vinegar and have that type of sauce. This is my Trinidad Moringa Butch Tea Scorpion, and it's coming along real well. I'm very happy with the results of this. This is another Scotch Bonnet, and it's coming along real well. You remember when I first put this out on Pepper Row, it looked real sickly, but it has come a long way, and in a couple of weeks, more or less, it should be sending out flowers and planting fruit. This is another Scotch Bonnet, and again, it was looking real sickly, but it's looking much better, and I expect it to continue to get better and get big and follow its twin over here. This is a Poblano pepper plant, and you can see that I have Poblanos showing here, which is awesome. This was a sickly plant when I put it out, but it is doing much better, and in a couple of weeks I should be able to harvest fruit from here. This plant, I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I'm contemplating just leaving it here until my jalapeno pepper plant is big enough to plant out here, and I'm probably going to remove this one and put a jalapeno out. These are the two ghost chilies plants, and they are doing marvelous. Loaded with fruit. I'm waiting for them to turn red, and then I'll come out and harvest them. Same with this plant here, looking very well, nice and green. And it's amazing, this time last year they were not very green, they didn't look very healthy, but I was able to nurture them, and they're doing much better. I finally got around to connecting my Brass Siphon to my automatic drip timer. It's connected to a steel hose, and the little tubing goes into a water bucket that I have mixed a solution of fish emulsion and Agro Thrive. It's diluted so that I can spray my seedlings. Here we have jalapenos and cucumber seeds, and we also have I forget what I have down there. I believe these are green beans or bush beans. So I planted those yesterday. Hopefully they will come up soon. And when they come up, then I can start spraying them as needed as well. The hose I got off of Amazon. I believe it was like maybe $20. And the siphon came from Haas Tools. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave some comments and let me know what you think of my video. Thank you.